Hello guys, today we are showing you the ABS check light, how we can check the ABS is okay or no, or how to calibrate the ABS. First of all, you need to go to control unit. After that ABS, from this ABS you will trouble code and check which code is coming for this one. Here you see two of the codes, erase all the codes. After erasing all the codes, you will see all the check lights coming on your screen of the car. You will go back and special function. After going to special function, you will reset the memory for this one. After resetting the memory, there will be a codes again. You need to check the codes. After this, you need to switch off your ignition for 3 seconds and wait for the 3 seconds. Switch on ignition again. Here you will see a linear code. After you get one linear code, you can see another video for us. So now you go to test mode, and for test mode, now you see here the ABS light is blinking. So after that you will put next. After next, you will go back and check again which code is coming to ABS. Trouble code. After erasing all the codes, now linear code is coming, linear valve code. So move back. You will go back and you will go to special function test.